This presentation is about how pmwares can help you improving productivity and revenue.
A project manager manages several aspects of a project which make it complex to manage. You will see, most of the projects are challenged. Some projects miss the timelines while some other overshoot their budget, and some other projects fail to realize their benefits to the organization.
A survey says almost 15% projects were prematurely terminated.
The Government of India statistics also shows the same trend that a majority of the projects were delayed.
So not meeting project objectives is quite common. But why did these projects fail to meet their objectives? Here are some top challenges. Some are behavioral issues, some are procedural, and some of them are skills issues. Now let's look into how do we address these challenges. We work on three-dimensional approach. Build competencies to address skills issues, establish processes and systems to address process issues, and provide guidance to address behavioral issues. What is the role of pmwares? Pmwares provide training to enhance skills, consultancy services to establish processes and systems, and support services to guide you from baby steps to giant strides. First, let's go on the training. Fundamentals programs for beginners, advanced program for practitioners, senior managers, for popular tools like Microsoft Project and Primavera, soft skills programs to address behavior issues. Training for certificates like prestigious PMP certification, and our specialty, the customized training to address specific needs of our customers. Under consultancy services, we define overall project management workflow, define processes for a systematic execution, establish project management systems, and set up project management office. Under support services, we coach and mentor managers, leaders, guide to ensure transformation at workplace, handhold the team in their journey from baby steps to giant strides, and interventions into troubled projects to bring them back on the track. Here is the end result: a competent and confident project manager, effective management system enabling timely delivery within budget, high customer and employee satisfaction, more profit and repeat business. We have brought change in the life of our customers in various verticals, like government, IT, construction, manufacturing, pharma, biotech, market research, etc., bring 10 to 30% improvement in the productivity and revenue. And this is what our customers say about pmwares. To summarize, pmwares assists its customer in getting organized, develop management capabilities, establish processes and systems, and coach leaders. Vivek Prakash, the chief promoter of pmwares, has over 30 years of industrial experience, a PMP and Microsoft certified professional, an active member of PMI, Rotary Club and MCCIA, and main driving force behind Project Managers Club of Pune. Thank you very much for giving 3 minutes from your precious time. Feel free to call us or drop us an email for a call back. We look forward to meeting you to explore opportunity for productivity improvement and revenue growth.